Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IDEX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, this one, after a very solid day previously, although it did pull back late day, has pulled back again, but overall, everything is still perfectly fine. I mean, the overall chart, it's not like it's ruined or destroyed or anything like that. Now, of course, there's a little bit of, well, it depends that comes into this, meaning, well, if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, and you bought right there. Well, yeah, in that situation, it depends, because from that angle, the chart does not look very good for you because the price has pulled back. Now, as far as the grand scheme of things is concerned, even with the pullback, everything is perfectly fine. In fact, let me adjust that level of support down there to 380. And I'm not saying this will occur again, but just for explanation's sake and visual sake, let's say the price comes down to 380 and just kind of hovers around there. What would you still have from the bigger picture point of view? You'd still have a set of lows there. You'd have lows there. You'd have lows down here, and if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, what do you have? Well, from the big picture, you'd still very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress, and in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as $3.80. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, if there is any sort of attempted movements back to the upside, it's all about that 450 mark moving forward. 450, talked about that previously, but once again, during that opening 30 minutes, you can see the price gapped up, made a very impressive movement, but surprise, surprise, got rejected right at that area where it's been rejected before. So 450 is certainly going to be public enemy number one headed forward. So again, as far as, well, I don't know, Clay, is this a good or bad looking chart? I don't know your perspective. For you day traders, and depending on where you bought, well then yeah, not looking very good. Assuming you care about the grand scheme of things, everything is still perfectly fine. The trend is still intact. So let's see how this one continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.